Hi, our group was interested in researching the impacts of meat consumption and how to decrease that using an informational campaign. So, in order to do so, and with COVID, our target population were just close family and friends and classmates. So, some of our results may be biased because of that. But using our intervention strategy, we created a Google form for our initial participants to fill out to get their baseline meat consumption on a meal by meal basis, a daily basis, and a weekly basis. We also found three general reasons for consuming less meat through our literature review, which primarily were environmental concerns. So, the impacts meat has on energy consumption, ethics in regards to animal rights, and health purposes. So, after we collected those emails, we split up the groups into our control and our research group. Our control group didn't receive any of the informational emails that we sent throughout the week. Our research group did. So for 2 weeks, we sent emails regarding the environmental impacts of meat, the animal impacts of meat consumption, and some of the health benefits of consuming less meat. Um, we found through our pre-intervention memo that eating meat consumes a lot of energy for the average American, specifically red meat. So even if you don't completely cut meat out of your diet, it can help a lot in regards to energy consumption by switching from red meat to chicken. And I'll pass it over to Fatima.
Thank you, Amanda. So, as Amanda summarized her findings about how information concerning meat consumption, when provided to the participants, had sub- uh, sorry, it was intended to decrease their consumption, but we didn't end up seeing a lot of significant results. And part of our results were supposed to help us figure out how we could tailor our communication or the newsletters that we sent out to our participants, and make them more effective to response from participants. That is, given the energy that you save when you switch from, say, a red meat to healthier alternatives such as chicken, or just generally decrease your meat consumption, how much energy or how much of your footprint are you actually reducing? And we're hoping to see how we can translate that energy or those savings of energy into ways that could help people understand what the impact of even one person reducing their meat consumption could have on the environment. So, in addition to decreasing meat consumption in our targeted participants, the information is also useful in determining what kind of communication is more effective when it comes to targeting certain behaviors and changing certain behaviors. And with that, we thank you for your time.